Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create account on TikTok app. So for that, first of all, you just need to download the app, and I have downloaded here. So just click on login button, and after login button you have shown the multiple options. So choose a preferred option which will you use to create accounts. So you have a use your mobile email or username, so you can click here to choose mobile option. So you can put your mobile number here and just send the code and verify your account, and you can choose the country from here. And even if you are if you want to sign in with your email address, so you can click on here, so you can use your email address too. So right now I'm going with the continue with the Google account. So I'm going to connect with Google, so just click on continue with Google. So here's my Gmail account logged in already, so I just click on that account and wait till it load. So now here you have to choose your date of birth, so choose any random date. So I'll suggest you to choose 18 plus date of birth. So just after choosing the date, just click on a next button, and your account is creating here. So now you choose your your nickname, so you can choose your name. So just type your name, what you want to put your name. I'll just take my name as like Lobby, LOBBY, Lobby Star, and just confirm your name. And here your account has created your account has been created here. So you can see that I got my account Lobby Star. My account name is Lobby Star, and I got the username is a lobby.star3. So this is a very simple process to create account on TikTok. So hope you find this video very helpful. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.